Contract negotiation is an art, and in competitive markets like Miami, it's a survival skill. Whether you're negotiating a commercial lease, a software license, or a partnership agreement, overlooking key terms could expose your business to serious risk. In Miami's real estate market, for instance, small businesses often agree to triple net leases without realizing the extent of their responsibility for repairs and taxes. In vendor agreements, we frequently see vague termination clauses that allow the other party to exit early while still holding you accountable for payments. Pitcoff Law Group takes a proactive, detail-oriented approach to negotiation. We ensure your contracts include clear deliverables, limitation-of-liability clauses, dispute resolution terms, and renewal triggers tailored to your business model. Don't let one paragraph in a contract undo your hard work. Contact our office today to negotiate with confidence. We would be happy to assist you.